Hi everyone. Are you a person who wishes to pursue your higher studies in BA English Language and Literature? Well, let me help you to know more about the higher studies master's courses as well as the career opportunities that lies ahead of you. Well, the big question that comes to our mind is, what are the different courses related to BA English Language and Literature? Well, there are two courses. BA in English Language and Literature and BA Honours in English Language and Literature. So what is the difference between the two? Well, BA Honours is a specialization in the subject. And once you have completed your BA or BA Honours, you will be able to pursue a wide variety of careers. Well, BA and BA Honours are courses that are available in many universities and colleges in India. Especially well known as the FLU, English and Foreign Languages University in Hyderabad, for its BA Honours in English. And in order to get into universities like FLU or central universities in India, you have to appear for an entrance examination. And if you wish to enter into a BA English Language and Literature course in any arts and science college, you will have to have an aggregate of 50% marks in your plus 2. Well, for a student who has completed his graduation in BA English Language and Literature, he will have the opportunity to go on to master's degree, masters in MA English, MA English Literature, MA English Comparative Literature and MA Linguistics. So you'll have these wide variety of options in front of you to do your masters. And you can pursue your career further into a doctorate. Now is the best part, the job opportunities. Well, we all want to know what we are in for while we take a course, right? Well, the job opportunities for a postgraduate and a graduate in English literature is wide. Now let's look at each one of them more closely. And we'll be looking at the most prominent ones more closely. The first one, if you want to enter into a teaching profession, well, you have to have your master's degree if you want to go on to becoming a professor at a college. And not just the master's degree, but you also have to have qualified the competitive exam NET. And if you wish to pursue a doctorate, you can also apply for JRF while you are applying for the NET examination. Once you have attained the NET examination, you have to go through an interview to attain the same. Now let's look at the case of a higher secondary teacher. So if a student wishes to be a higher secondary teacher, he will have the opportunity to do so after his bachelor's degree in English Language and Literature. So he will be pursuing Bachelor's in Education, B.Ed course in any of the professional colleges that host the same. Once you've completed your B.Ed, again, just like the NET examination, here too you have competitive exams that you have to qualify. You will have to undergo exams like LPST, UPSC, HSA and HSST exams. Well, the next opportunity, the one that is thriving in our country now, Communicative English Trainer. Well, you can always gain a Communicative English Trainer certification course from any of the institutions that provide the same in India to become a Communicative English Trainer directly after your bachelor's degree in English Language and Literature. And it is an area which provides wide variety of opportunities like soft skills trainers, life skill trainers and career coaches. Now, many of you might be interested in journalism, and for those who are interested in that, you have the option of taking MA in journalism. And also, during your BA, there are vocational courses that allow you to pursue journalism along with your mainstream studies in order to pursue your career as an editor, news reporter, and so on. And there are also a wide variety of opportunities for people who enjoy creative writing, technical writing, as well as prose writings, like content developer, web developer, and freelance content writers. When you work as a content writer, it's not just in websites or online media that you can be a content writer for any institution, but you can also work for various magazines, writing the articles and giving them reviews regarding a particular article that you have read. There are a wide variety of opportunities in advertising and marketing, marketing executive, media researcher, HR administrator, and so on. You will be able to pursue certificate courses or diploma courses which help you to attain the same. And now that the online platforms are booming, there is a wide chance for you to be an online tutor. You can become an online tutor directly after your post-graduation. You can apply with your curriculum vitae and 50% aggregate of your mark. And there are always other opportunities like tourist guide, learning mentor, publisher, academic librarian, tourist guide, social media manager. So knowing the language gives you a lot of benefits. Well, the time is ticking. Choose the right option. Now that you know all the career options for BA English Language and Literature, I'm sure you're going to choose wisely. Thank you.